Hello friends, I'm going to discuss about the program, and this aim of the program is to make a program to find the address of a 3D array. And here we have hash include IOStream for basic input output statements like cout and cin, followed by using namespace std. Then we have int main for the execution of the program, as execution starts and ends at main. Then we have declared three variables I, j, k. Here I represents the set, j for rows and k for columns. And here we have an array which is for row, column, set, row and column, and we have given values 3, 4, 5 each for set, row and column. Then we have declared pointer here, and followed by a cout statement which is used for the displaying at the screen, that is for row major order we are displaying it. And we have here nested loops for I is equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, and the condition is I less than 3. If the condition is true, the value of I will be incremented by 1 every time the loop runs. And inside that we have a for j is equals to 0, j less than 4, j plus plus, and inside that loop we have another loop for k is equals to 0, k less than 5, k plus plus. And then we have pointer is equal to ampersand a. Ampersand a here represents the address of a at 0th position, 0, 0, 0. And this is the formula for 3D array for finding the address. And we have plus I, that is our set, into 4 is for our row and 5 for our column, plus our column into our row plus the set value. Then we have cout address of a for the ith position, j and k is equals to is the pointer value, that will be the address. And then we have a cout statement for our column major order, that, and inside this also we have three nested loops, that is for I is equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Then inside that we have another loop, that is 4 is for j is equals to 0, k should be less than 4, then j plus plus. And then for k is equals to 0, k less than 5, k plus plus. And here the formula changes a little bit, as we can see here. Instead of our viewer for finding row major order, we used for column into row. Here we will do our for column major order we will do row into our column, that is pointer is equals to ampersand a for the address of a at 0, 0 position, plus I, that is our set value, into 4, that is row, and then column, plus 4, that is our row, into k row into column, plus j. And then we have cout is equals to address of a at ith position, jth position, and k will be the value of that pointer. And then end line, we have a new line. Then we have return 0, which will return the value, and we will see the output. Then we can see for our row major order, this is the address 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2. All the addresses are given here for every element of the array. And then we have column major order here. We can see here also the address of 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, up to we have 2, 3, 4. Every element, the address of every element is given here for an 3D array. Thank you.